Have you ever wondered why some people achieve greatness while others never reach their true potential? It's not luck, it's not intelligence, it's not even hard work alone. The true difference lies in the power of imagination, because everything great began as an idea in someone's mind. Section 1. The power of a dream. Every success story you've ever heard started with a dream. Martin Luther King Jr. had a dream. Steve Jobs imagined the future in his garage. Elon Musk dreamed of Mars when others laughed. They saw something before it existed, and they believed in it when no one else did. Imagination is the seed from which every great achievement grows. If you can dream it, you can build it, but only if you believe in it first.
Section 2. Imagination versus reality. Here's the truth. Your brain doesn't know the difference between a real event and a vividly imagined one. That's why athletes visualize success before stepping on the field. That's why top performers rehearse success in their minds, over and over again. Because when you imagine it, you activate the same parts of the brain as when you actually do it. This is not fantasy, this is science. So the question is, what reality are you imagining for yourself? Section 3. Turning dreams into action. Dreaming big is just the beginning. The next step is turning that dream into a vision, and that vision into daily action. Start small, write it down, close your eyes and see it clearly every day. Let your imagination guide your choices. Let it pull you forward when motivation fades. Let it remind you who you were meant to become. Your imagination is the blueprint of your future.
Conclusion. Final push. If you're still watching this, there's a reason. You were born to dream, to build, to lead, to inspire. But before you achieve it in real life, you must create it in your mind. Don't let fear limit your dreams. Don't let failure define your future. You are capable of more than you've ever imagined. And it starts with just one thought. Dream big. Achieve big. Start now. If this video sparked your imagination, like it, share it, and subscribe to A World of Passion. New videos every week to fuel your mind and awaken your greatness. Your future is waiting. Go build it.